Let us see the analytical treatment of interference. Consider two waves which are monochromatic. These two waves are having same amplitude A, but they differ in phase by phi. First wave produces a displacement y1 at P. Let y1 be represented as A cos omega t. We call it as equation number 1. Second wave is having a phase difference of phi, amplitude A, which produces a displacement y2 at P. So what is y2? y2 equal to A cos omega t plus phi. We call it as equation number 2. When both the waves superimpose at P, the resultant displacement at P is y, which is equal to y1 plus y2, which is A cos omega t plus A cos omega t plus phi. On solving, A cos omega t plus A cos omega t plus phi. So if we take A out, cos C plus cos D, which is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Or you can take this as C, this as D. In both the cases, we get the resultant as 2A cos 2 omega t plus phi by 2 cos phi by 2. Or y equal to 2A cos phi by 2 into cos omega t plus phi by 2, where 2A cos phi by 2 is considered as the amplitude of the resultant displacement y due to superposition of two waves at P. So what is amplitude A? A equal to 2A cos phi by 2. Already we know intensity is the square of the amplitude, which is A square equal to 4A square small a square cos square phi by 2. That is equal to 4 times I naught cos square phi by 2, where I naught equal to small a square, where small a is the amplitude of each wave which are getting superimposed at P. Already we know the condition as when phi equal to 0, plus or minus 2 pi plus or minus 4 pi corresponds to constructive interference leading to maximum intensity. On the other hand, if phi equal to plus or minus pi plus or minus 3 pi plus or minus 5 pi etc. corresponds to destructive interference leading to zero intensity. If the two sources are coherent, then phase difference phi at any point will not change with time, and we will have a stable interference pattern. That is, the positions of maxima and minima will not change with time. However, if two waves do not maintain a constant phase difference, then interference pattern will also change with time. And if the phase difference changes very rapidly with time, the positions of maxima and minima will also vary rapidly with time, and we will see a time averaged intensity distribution. When this happens, we will observe an average intensity that will be given by I equal to 4I0 cos square phi by 2, and that cos square phi by 2 average value is half. Substituting I equal to 4I0 into half, which is 2I0.